Welcome to the most complex and mysterious organ in the human body, the brain. Your brain is a liar, and it's been hiding some shocking secrets from you. For example, did you know that your brain uses 100% of its capacity, not just 10%? This myth has been debunked, and it's time to explore the real capabilities of your brain. While you sleep, your brain clears out toxins, like a detox program, and you can even rewire your brain to forget memories, like editing a video. But that's not all. You can literally change your brain chemistry with gratitude practices, and your brain can grow new neurons, like a plant growing new roots. These facts are just the tip of the iceberg, and there's so much more to explore. But that's just the beginning. In part 2, we go deeper. Welcome to our in-depth exploration of the human brain and neuroplasticity. The concept of neuroplasticity has undergone significant developments since its inception in the late 19th century. Pioneers like William James and Marion Diamond have paved the way for our understanding of the brain's adaptability. Today, we recognize that neuroplasticity is fundamental to learning, memory, and recovery from brain injuries. The science behind neuroplasticity involves complex biochemical and electrophysiological processes, including synaptic plasticity and neurogenesis. Research by Timothy Bliss and Tarja Lomo has been instrumental in our understanding of long-term potentiation. Furthermore, the discovery of neurotrophic factors like BDNF has shed light on the molecular mechanisms underlying neural adaptation. Experts such as Vittorio Galise emphasize the role of embodied cognition in shaping our perception and interaction with the world. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the brain, it becomes clear that neuroplasticity holds the key to unlocking human potential. The implications of this knowledge are profound, with potential applications in education, cognitive therapy, and beyond. In part 3, we uncover what mainstream sources won't tell you. Imagine being able to unlock the full potential of your mind, to overcome any obstacle and achieve greatness. This is the promise of neuroplasticity, the hidden force that shapes our reality. For decades, scientists thought the brain was a fixed, unchangeable entity, but cutting-edge research reveals the opposite. Our brains are highly adaptable, capable of reorganizing and rewiring themselves in response to new experiences. This challenges traditional notions of intelligence and ability, revealing that our potential is not fixed at birth. By harnessing the power of neuroplasticity, we can overcome limitations, build new connections, and achieve things we never thought possible. But how does it work? And what are the implications for our daily lives? As we delve deeper into the mysteries of neuroplasticity, we begin to uncover surprising truths about the nature of reality and our place within it. We discover that our subconscious thoughts and emotions play a far greater role in shaping our destiny than we ever imagined. And we learn that by tapping into this hidden power, we can unlock new levels of creativity, innovation, and success. But there's more to the story, a truth that has been hidden in plain sight. Now that you know the truth, Part 4 will change how you see this forever. Welcome to the final part of our deep dive into the human brain and neuroplasticity. Over the past 3 videos, we've explored the foundations of brain function, delved into the intricate mechanisms of neuroplasticity, and examined real-world examples of brain adaptability. In this, the culmination of our series, we tie together the threads of history, key mechanisms, and expert insights to provide a comprehensive understanding of neuroplasticity. The concept has evolved significantly since its inception in the 1960s, challenging the traditional view of the brain as an unchangeable entity. Through the work of pioneers like Marion Diamond and Edward Taub, we've come to understand that the brain is highly dynamic, capable of reorganizing itself by forming new neural connections. This adaptability is largely due to synaptic plasticity, where the strength of connections between neurons is adjusted based on experience. Hebbian learning, encapsulated in the phrase cells that fire together, wire together, underpins this process, enabling the brain to reconfigure in response to new experiences. The implications of neuroplasticity are vast, influencing fields from education to rehabilitation. Observations of London taxi drivers, musicians, and bilingual individuals have provided tangible evidence of the brain's capacity for change, with each group exhibiting unique brain organization patterns. However, the extent and limitations of neuroplasticity, especially in the context of neurological disorders, remain subjects of intense debate. As we look to the future, applying neuroplasticity principles in clinical settings and developing personalized brain training programs stand out as promising avenues for research. The potential for neuroplasticity to revolutionize our approach to brain health and function is staggering. It challenges us to rethink our assumptions about the brain's capabilities and underscores the importance of ongoing learning and mental challenge throughout our lives. If this series gave you value, subscribe. More deep dives coming every week.